Alright, it's time to check out the features of the new dashboard. So these are the new commands which we are working with. Pretty simple to use this joystick. This will be our main control button in order to be able to select from the dashboard what we are interested in and put our settings. We have the mode button, which it will help us to toggle as well. We are pressing it to the upper position. The same will happen with the joystick. Either we press the upper button, the lower button, or left or right. It will give us access to the dashboard. The joystick is highlighted during the night. It has an LED light over here and it's highlighted so you can access it easily during the night. This is it. This is the new dash and we have new buttons. We have a temperature gauge indicator. Now let's go through the display with the new joystick. When we're pressing down, we have trip A, trip B, total amount of kilometers, the fuel consumption in liters per 100 kilometers. This is also what we can customize. When you press once on the right side, you have another display which comes out. And from here, you press one more time. And here we have the same options available, which you can change them afterwards. And then you move the stick downwards. We have trip A with an average fuel consumption for trip B, average speed. These are the power settings, power, engine brake, traction control, and ABS. As you can see here, we can customize them. How we do this? We are pressing the mode button, and with the mode button we can switch, we can toggle switch between the gravel, sport, user 1 and user 2. We have two options for the user mode, user 1, user 2 standard, and you can see the different power settings, engine brake settings, traction control, ABS, rain mode with the with the 1 out of 4 power. Gravel mode now has off-road ABS, which works a little bit better in order to offer more traction. And you can customize the user mode once you are here by long pressing or pressing up, going up with the mode button. You continuously pressing the mode button. And here you have the settings for the power, for the ABS, traction control, engine brake, and you can customize it. Let's leave the power to full, engine brake 3, for example, traction control. We can long press the up button from the joystick, and we can have the traction control off. The same for the ABS. We can cancel rear wheel ABS. Check it out. We long press, cancel ABS. We choose yes, and we have on the dashboard, like on the previous version, ABS off, traction control off. So now we set up the bike for the new settings, for the off-road settings. Let's turn off the bike and see if the settings will stay. So we are closing the bike. We open again the display. Let's check it out. And unfortunately, the settings are not staying. So we need to go again to the user 1, and again to the ABS and traction control. So now on the new dashboard, it takes a little bit more time to toggle between the off-road modes to disable the ABS and traction control. So most likely, if you're riding more off-road, then most likely you would want to have a dongle, an off-road dongle. I use the one from LSK Electronics, which is helping a lot. For example, here what we have the settings. which are pretty similar with the previous version. We have function, riding modes, which we can also toggle them from here. We have two favorites modes, which are appearing on the left side, and then we can change even from here both of the modes, user mode, and we can also change the riding modes. Check it out on the right side. So you have also some presets which you can put. You can see it's displayed here. It's even showing cloud and a rain over there, so you can have these presets set for your bike. User mode, riding modes, you can access them pretty easy from here. Shift point, this is you can put the RPMs where you would like to have an indicator on the dash when you would like to switch when you would like to have the gear shifting point. Self-canceling turn signals also available. We have this display here, on and off, trip A reset, Honda immobilizer security system. Let's check out the display type. You have multiple choices here, bar, cycle, simple. You can toggle between them. Let's check out the bar one. No, let's check out the cycle. And how we can confirm, we just go back on the left. The brightness is auto, either auto or manual. If you have it on manual, we can put it to 8. 8 is maximum, which you can have. You have a background, which could be black or white, depending, or auto. It will automatically toggle between day and night. So favorite info, you can customize your favorite info regarding the display of total fuel consumption, instant fuel consumption, distance, trip A, trip B, and so on. This you can choose what information you would like to have on the display. Favorite switch, trip reset, ABS rear off, air temperature, you can have it on and off. You can even, not only that you have it, but you can also toggle between on and off. Not only that you have the unit, the temperature indicator, you can toggle, you can change here the general settings, starting from date and time, starting from the unit which you like to have. Here we can toggle between different settings, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, Celsius, Fahrenheit, liters per 100 kilometers, kilometers per liters, depending how your preferences are. Language, we have German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Turkish, and so on. Restore default, Bluetooth pairing reset. Here you can reset to connect the Racing app or your phone. So this is how one of the displays are looking like. Let's change and put the other one. Let's change it and choose the simple. This is the simple. Let's check it out. So this is the simple display with not so many information over there. This is the simple one. Let's choose the other one, display type, the bar. Let's check out the bar. So this is the bar. I think the bar seems the nicest. Circle or bar, definitely. What else do we have? We have the fuel gauge indicator, that's for sure. You have your favorites mode displayed, your gear, your speed, hour, and other hazard lights. So more or less we have a very functional new controls for the new display. Pretty easy to toggle between them, even though the commands are a little bit smaller.